Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day, Wednesday, April 26th. Also going to be known as today will be a tax day, which you will see in just a moment here. Today, there's no economic news releases scheduled. We do got GDP coming up on Friday, which will be the big one this week. But tomorrow we'll have durable goods orders as well as weekly jobless claims, which will be the kind of two bigger ones for tomorrow. We have a bunch of other in those 2 days as well, but again, we won't see those until tomorrow on Friday. Meanwhile, stock market's up, and when I meant by tax day, we are awaiting that tax plan that's supposed to be announced later today. About 10:30 Pacific Standard Time, Mr. Mnuchin will go ahead and lay out the plan. The one thing we do know is that, and it was clarified by Mr. Mnuchin, was that they're going to drop the corporate plan, or corporate rate, from 35% down to 15%. So that will hopefully allow corporations to reinvest in themselves, and by reinvesting, hopefully allow more employment opportunities for more people and create more jobs. So hopefully that will be obviously that should be a good thing for our economy here, and help with the GDP and everything else to help us kind of get out of this at least a decade-long funk where we've just been kind of plateaued and tiptoeing the line here, being in another recession or just barely above it. So hopefully this will kind of give us a little bit of a boost moving forward here, going up. So right now they're kind of awaiting that. That's what's kind of been taking what's been kind of driving the market up quite a bit. Matter of fact, yesterday Nasdaq was closed for the first time above 6,000, reached 6,000. So congratulations to Nasdaq and the high-tech industry. They've been on fire of late. So again, this is going to be hopefully help out the economy in the long term. Now, bond market-wise, it's a different story because the stock market is doing so well. It's taking money out of the bonds and putting it into the higher risk equity markets. So as you can see, we lost from early last week, way up here, all the way down to here. That's almost 1 point, not quite 100 basis points, but close to 100 basis points. We're probably talking about 80, 90 basis points here difference there, and that's kind of from early last week to today. This is what you're looking at for pricing. Yesterday we did close, here's the first floor of support. We're basically at the 25-day moving average, and we did close above it, or below it, excuse me. We are still below it. We're only about 3 basis points higher than where we left off yesterday. We do got more room to fall, which would be the 50 and 100-day moving average, which is about another 30 basis points lower, which would basically, that would be our floor of support right there, our next floor of support. So be very cautious here. It's possible we could reach that. So hopefully you took my advice last week to lock in and preserve your gains at that point instead of all these losses you would have incurred since then. So anyways, again, if you're short term, I would definitely lock in because, again, we got more room to fall further, another pretty close to about 30 basis points, which is still significant in terms of rates, how that prices out here. So rate pricing today is about the same as where we left off because we did have our pricing for the worst yesterday. We're only about 3 basis points higher than where we left off, so it's not enough for make a change in pricing as of right now. So anyways, if you guys like to get more updates throughout the day, especially after the announcement at 10:30 Pacific Standard Time, come over to Twitter. I'm at Twitter. You can follow me there, and I will be posting more updates throughout the day underneath Mike Bjork here. And hopefully I'll see you guys around. And also, if you guys need any mortgages or for financing needs, purchase or refinance, please feel free to reach out. I am a loan officer, and I do help out a lot of clients in those manners. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.